Science is full of surprises, and today we bring you 8 amazing science experiments that you can easily try at home. These are fun, simple, and perfect for all ages. So, without further delay, let's dive right in. Number 1. Take 2 glasses and fill them with water. In one glass, add salt and mix it well. Now, drop an egg in the plain water and it will sink. However, when you drop another egg in the salt water, it will float. This is because salt water is denser than plain water, which makes the egg buoyant. Try this at home and see the magic. Number 2. Take a glass and fill it halfway with vegetable oil. Then, pour some baby oil into the same glass. Add an ice cube, and you'll see it floating between the 2 layers of oil, melting slowly. It looks just like magic, but it's actually science. The ice cube is less dense than oil, so it floats between the layers. Number 3. Arrange 5 sticks in a V shape. Pour a little water in the middle, and they will automatically form the shape of a star. This happens because wood absorbs water, causing it to expand and move. Number 4. Take a glass jar and fill it with water. Peel an orange and drop it into the water. It will sink. But if you place an unpeeled orange in the water, it will float. The peel acts like a natural life jacket because it's full of tiny air pockets. Number 5. Pour vinegar into a glass and drop an egg into it. You'll see bubbles forming on the egg. These are carbon dioxide bubbles being released as the vinegar reacts with the eggshell. After taking it out, the egg will become soft and flexible because the shell has dissolved. Number 6. Light a candle and hold an egg over it. The egg will turn black from the soot. Dip the blackened part of the egg into water, and you'll notice that it won't clean off. This happens because the soot forms a layer that repels water, creating a waterproof effect. Number 7. Pour water into a glass while keeping a candle behind it. The candle won't go out because it's not actually inside the glass, but behind it. This creates an optical illusion that looks fascinating. Number 8. Fill a glass bottle completely with water. Place a small piece of tissue paper over the bottle's opening and remove the excess paper around the edges. Turn the bottle upside down and the water won't spill out. The air pressure outside the bottle holds the water in place. Science is everywhere around us. These simple experiments teach us so much about everyday physics and chemistry. Have you tried any of these before? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos like this.